Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you are right now looking for the best audio settings to hear in-game steps in multiplayer better. So first click on multiplayer, then go to the top right to your settings and go down to audio. Up here you have two different categories, the audios tab and the voice chat. First we want to focus on the voice chat. I have turned it off most of the time to not get annoyed by any toxic people. If you enable the voice chat, click on and turn it to a low level to not have crying people in the lobby. Then you can customize the proximity chat, the body shield chat, turn it on or off. This is the only voice chat I have turned on. Then the last word voice chat followed by game voice channel. Here you can select if you want to hear the party, the whole lobby or only friends. Select your output device. It's probably your headset. Then select your microphone level. That is a thing you have to customize by yourself. You can even test your microphone in-game. So test it out and select the microphone level. Down here you have microphone mode, push to talk or open mic. Please put it to push to talk to not annoy the whole lobby. Then click on show more and here you can select your push to talk setup. Then click on microphone input device. It's probably default system device on your screen. It's okay if it works, otherwise select your microphone. Then go back to your audio settings. Up here we have the master game volume. We want to have it loud enough to hear steps, so I have figured out around 80, slightly under 80 is perfect for me. Then click on more and down here we have gameplay music volume. Turn this off and the dialogue volume to 40 to hear any game informations while you are playing multiplayer. The effects volume should be on 100 to hear the footsteps in your surrounding. And then you have your cinematic music volume, turn it off or select a low number like I did with 8. Down here you have the audio device, speaker, headphone, game sound device. I have selected my headphones, and because I have selected my headphones, I have selected on global the audio mix headphones. Up here on speaker output, I have stereo because my headset does not have 7.1 sound. If you have this option, turn it on to get those clear footsteps. Mono audio is off. Mute game when minimized is on now because I don't want to hear any shots when I'm on the desktop. Then mute license music. If you are a streamer or a YouTuber, select on to not have any copyright issues. If you have problems with your ear, you can select the option reduce tinnitus sounds to have not those annoying high frequency sounds. The last option is hitmarker preset. That's probably on default. As you can see on the right, the default is Black Ops 6 hitmarker sound effect, and the classic one is the old school Black Ops hitmarker sound effect. I prefer the default one, but choose whatever you like more. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.